Okay, so for this example, we're going to apply what we did previously in order to try and sketch a graph of a quadratic based on a situation. So let's think this through. First of all, the two things I'm going to be looking for is I need to find the vertex from the situation, and I need to find the zeros. Okay, and we're going to think, how does that apply to the path of this? In this case, it's going to be this ball. So let's read it first. Shania plays volleyball. In one of her games, she hits the ball. The ball taps the 8-foot-tall net and then lands 14 feet away from Shania. She scores the winning point of the game. So again, we want to think about this intuitively. For the most part, whenever we've been doing these right now, we're starting at the 0. And I would recommend you do that. It doesn't say that she starts at 0, but if we're measuring how far this ball goes, it makes sense to start at 0. So the ball is going to start here at 0. It's going to go up, right? We know it's going to go up somewhere. And it's going to land where? Well, it says it lands 14 feet away. So if this is my x, let's go down here to 14 feet. So I know the ball is going to go up and it's going to come down. That's my zeros. Okay, so we found those. Let's find the vertex in this. So let's read it again. So she hits the ball. The ball taps the 8-foot-tall net and then comes down. So that 8-foot-tall net, that's going to be like the very top of where that ball goes. It's going to go up. It's going to hit that net. If this is like the net here, it's going to hit that net just barely and then land over on the other side. So that's going to be our vertex. So we know that it's 8 feet tall. Well, it doesn't mean I go to 8 feet here. That's 8 feet far away. That's distance far away. Our tall is going to be up here, right? How high it goes. But where? Where is that 8 feet going to be? Well, it's going to travel up, hit that, and then come back down. That's going to be our vertex. Our vertex is halfway between these. Well, what's halfway between 0 and 14? Well, 14 divided by 2 is 7, right? So that's our halfway point, and at halfway, it's going to be at 8 feet. So this is where the top of that net's going to be. Okay, so the ball's going to go up. It's going to go up, up, up. It's going to barely hit that, and then it's going to come down and land 14 feet away. So not perfectly drawn here, but that's not the point. The point is that you get these 3 points correct, and then you kind of make something that looks like it goes through them together. So the net in this case would be like here. I can't really draw a net like that very well, but that would be the net. So there you go. See if you can do the same thing for the next example.